it is time now to implement the show method for our user controller. The show method is going to return only a specific instance of a user depending on the ID received. This method has a specific requirement because if the user does not exist, so we need to return an error response and a 404 response, meaning that we can't find the user, basically a user not found. So let's go again to our code. Then in the show method, we need to obtain the user. The ID that we receive here is the same ID that the user or the client sends in the URL. So we just need to find a user with this ID. The problem now is that what happens if it fails? Well, we can add a conditional or something like that, but Laravel provides us an interesting method called find or fail. The find or fail method is going to find the user, and if the user does not exist, it is going to throw an exception specifying that that specific user does not exist. So after this, we can be sure that all that is going to be executed after that line can use the user because it already exists. So let's return a response. We have again a 200 response, and let's verify. We are going to obtain the user number 4. And you can see there the response. But now, if we try to obtain a non-existing user, it is going to fail with a 404 code specifying that the model was not found. Of course, in the future classes, we are going to modify this response to obtain a real JSON response with a specific message. So, we are done now with the show method for the user controller. See you in the next class.